Hi professionals, welcome back to Let's Talk About Engineering. In today's topic, we are going to look on the Thicken, Enclosure and Fillet command. Before activating the commands, I will draw some sketches to explain about it. I will create a rectangular sketch and then confirm the sketch and make an extrude. Select the solid and make an extrude with the approximate. I will give us a 1 inch is enough for me, and then activate the thicken command. Thicken command is nothing but it will add an extra 3D object to the existing body. Okay, for example, if we select the extrude, we need to create a sketch profile to activate the extrude command. But in thicken tool, we don't need to create any sketch to create a 3D object, 3D body. For example, if we select the existing body, this face, we can see that it will create a body which is added to the existing body. Okay, for example, I will increase some thickness about around 1 inch, and you can see that it will create a 3D body according to the shape of existing body. Okay, now let's confirm it. You can see that it would also create a thicken. Also, you can see that here there is no another feature was created, and then there is an option for thicken tool for creating a surface. I will delete it. I will delete this also, and then activate the extrude tool and create a surface. I'll just create a surface this line alone, and then again activate the thicken tool and select this surface. You can see that using the surface profile, the thicken tool was creating a 3D object. Okay, 3D body. Okay, you can see that it was creating a 3D body. Also, you have an option to midplane option. If we select the midplane option, it will symmetrically extrude the 3D object. Okay. Also, keep tool option. It will allow you to keep the existing feature like surface or any other features. Okay. Next, we are going to look on the enclosure command. Okay. Before activating the enclosure command, I will draw some sketches to explain about it. I will draw a sketch that's look like a jaw. Okay, and then I will activate the construction command and just create a construction line for axis, and then confirm the sketch, and then activate the evolve command and then select the surface, and then just select this and then create an axis for it. Okay, now it was created an revolved object with a surface feature, and then click OK. Okay, now I will create an off plane which is offset from the top plane. Okay, just activate the top plane and just move it like this. I will just create an approximate location and then leave it. Okay. Offset enclosure tool is nothing about it. It will release the features, number of features used in use it to create this model. Okay, for example, if you are going to transfer a model or going to represent a model alone, means it will help us to reduce the number of features. It will help us to solve the number of features and export as a single component. Okay, for example, I will activate the enclosure and then select this body surface, this surface. Okay, and then select this plane. Now you can see that it was created a solid object inside it, and then you can see it. This was eliminating the top surface. Okay, you can see that it was eliminate the top surface above the plane number 1. Okay. Also, you can use this tool for 3D solid object also. For that, I will just create a solid body and then select this region and then click OK. Now also you can see that it was eliminated the top surface body. Okay, it will work good for solid and surface features also. Okay, also you have option for a keeper tool which will keep the waste feature. For example, before we saw an keep tool for thicken, it will keep the surface feature as usual. Okay, then you enable the keep tool. It will keep the existing feature as. Next we are going to look on fillet command. Okay, let's start. Before activating the fillet command, I will draw some sketches. As usual, I will create a rectangle sketch and then click OK, and then activate the extrude command and create some 3D body. Okay, and then confirm the extrude and then activate the fillet command. Okay. Now for entity to fillet, we need to select an this corner or this surface. Okay, if we select this corner, you can see that the fillet command was activated and showing a preview of it. Also you have an option for a radius or with distance, conic curvature and radius value, and also asymmetric values also. For example, if we increase a fillet amount, it was equally dividing both sides. Okay, if we say activate the asymmetric, means it will did not equally divide the fillet. Okay, for example, you can see that the radius was 0.6 inches, but in second radius it was a 0.2 inches only. Like that, you can modify the both direction radius. Okay, also you have a partial fillet which is you can control the starting point of radius. Okay, for example, if we increase the amount, it will create a fillet after some amount of distance. Okay, also you have a second bound also. For example, like as in starting position, we have enter the amount for starting of the fillet. Like that, we need to enter the amount for value for the ending position of the fillet. Okay, you can see that it was a create a fillet after 0.6 inches. Okay, also you have a variable fillet which is which it will create a variable fillet in this edge. For example, I will add an edge to it. Okay, and then you can control the edge position, location, and then increase the amount, means it will create a variable fillet to it. Okay, now you can see that in specific area you can see that fillet was very larger than other area. Okay, also you have option to add more variable fillet option also. You can also use create it here and then click it. You can see that it was creating another fillet for it. Okay, according to our radius value, it will vary the shape. Okay, also we have if you select the variable fillet, we will also have option for a smooth transaction and smooth fillet corners. Okay, And then we have an option for a full round. Full round, which is alternative way, which will be easy for if you need to fillet. Fillet need to be in full round. For example, for first phase and second phase, I will select this both phase, and then for round phase, I will select this phase. You can see that it was create a fillet for this phase which I was selected, and it was created as a round shape, half semicircle. Okay.